The Little Star Who Found a Friend. High above the sleepy world, in a sky painted with velvet night, a little star blinked softly. She wasn't the brightest star, nor the biggest. She was a small, twinkly star who often wondered if anyone could see her sparkle. "Hello," she whispered into the sky. But the great moon was busy, and the other stars were far, far away. Down below, in a quiet meadow, a little rabbit hopped out of her burrow. She twitched her nose and gazed upward. "Oh," she said, "what a beautiful, twinkly star!" The star gasped. "Did you see me?" "Yes," said the rabbit, her ears wiggling. "You're shining just for me, aren't you?" The little star twinkled brighter than ever. "I didn't know I could make someone smile," she said. From that night on, whenever the rabbit felt sleepy, she looked up and found her star friend blinking gently in the sky. And whenever the star felt small or lonely, she remembered the little rabbit who saw her glow. The moon watched over them both, smiling quietly. The night was no longer empty. It was filled with friendship. And so the little star twinkled happily, and the little rabbit curled up safely, each knowing they were never truly alone. Good night, little star. Good night, little rabbit. Good night, sleepy world.